Do you want to discover how I got over 1 million subscribers on YouTube without ever showing my face, recording any videos, or making any videos? And I know that sounds crazy, but I'd like to invite you to a completely free training in which I'm going to show you exactly how you can succeed on YouTube without ever showing your face. And while I can't guarantee that you're going to get over 1 million subscribers, what I can guarantee is that you're going to discover the exact same tactics that I use within my YouTube business to run 9 different YouTube channels. I got over 1 million subscribers on this channel, over 100,000 subscribers on multiple other channels, and I want to show you exactly how you can do this too. On this free training, I'm going to show you the best niches to do this in, how to generate tons of videos super quickly, and most importantly, how to get millions of views on your videos. And look, this doesn't require some big upfront investment. This doesn't even require any technical skills. And if you look at all the people flashing across your screen right now, these are all people having success with this method. Now, while I can't promise you these results, what I can promise you is that you're going to discover the same exact tactics that they're using. And how do I know that? Because they all attended this same exact free training that I'm inviting you to attend today. So if you want to attend the free training, I really look forward to showing you this really unique method that I've hardly seen taught anywhere else online, and I know you're going to get a ton of value from it. I can't wait to see you at the free training. See you there.
guys, just giving my review of Tube Money Mastery. It's a good course. I bought it because I was interested in growing a channel starting from scratch. What I liked about the course is that everything is shown from end to end, how to set up a channel, what to do with the videos, how to create them, how to do the research, all the tools that are needed that are free to use. The course, it's so extensive. What's really nice about it is that because it's so extensive, I find myself going back 5, 6, 7 times. After every time I complete one step, I have all the videos, instructional videos to go back and refer to, and it's fantastic that way. Tons of content. I feel like Matt really put a huge effort into creating this course content, and it really shows. Some downsides, I'd say biggest downside is the price. It's expensive, but you know what they say, things that are expensive might be worth it. In this case, I think that it is. No regrets. Are there other courses out there? Sure, there's other courses out there, but I feel that this one really shows the end-to-end process, like I said, so there's zero guessing. It tells you exactly what to do. So give it a shot. I did, couldn't be happier.
Hey guys, I just bought Matt's course. I thought it was absolutely amazing. It took me around 3 days to watch it all, and I've finally come to the last video. I highly recommend Matt's courses. It is very detailed and it's worth every penny that I've paid. It's not a cost, it's an investment, and I'm so excited to get started and start making videos for YouTube.
What's going on, everybody? It's Chase, and today I'm going to be talking about my experience with Make Money Matt and how he's helped me propel my YouTube career and helped me significantly increase my income over the last few months of working with him. So I had the pleasure of meeting Matt, multiple months ago, probably 4 or 5 months ago to be exact. And around that time frame, I was doing about 50, 60, sometimes 70 grand a month on YouTube. YouTube is very up and down, so it fluctuates significantly, but I was roughly doing around 50 to 70 grand a month. And with that being said, I wanted to take things to the next level, so I decided to consult with Matt and work with him through multiple of his programs and his mentorship. And through the process, I've been able to significantly increase my income to around $100,000 a month. And on top of that, I've been able to learn a lot of YouTube secrets and niches that I never even knew existed. So Matt is definitely legit, super smart, way ahead of his years. I think he's 19 years old and he's probably gonna be making, multiple millions of dollars off of his YouTube channels a year very, very soon. He's already doing about 30,000 a month and he's scaling rapidly. I could truly attest to the fact that he is legit. He has the play buttons, he has the channels, he has the analytics to back it up. And overall, working with him was definitely worth it. And I will say right now that investing into any of his programs will be an amazing.
What is up, guys? Just wanted to make this quick video shouting out Make Money Matt. That guy is literally one of the smartest fucking people I've ever met on the internet. If you are at all considering taking his YouTube course or whatever, I highly would recommend it because of the fact that he has stuff in here. I'm on it right now. I'm looking at it because I bought it from him a couple days ago, and literally he has stuff on here that is literally insane. I can't even describe how much more valuable this is than anything I've ever seen for a YouTube course. Okay, so he's really smart. You can tell he really cares about trying to get people results. And yeah, no, I'm just making this video. He didn't even ask me to, but I'm so stoked on it that I decided I'm gonna set up a little camera and I'm gonna make the video. So he is absolutely, he knows what he's doing, and he's really doing it well. So if you at all have any concern about it, this is where you want to be if you're trying to make money on YouTube, and you need to trust Matt because honestly his content is unbelievable. So just want to make that quick video, and yeah, I hope you guys get in.
Hey guys, it's John Thomasberg. Wanted to come to you today with a review of Matt Parr's course, Tube Mastery and Monetization. Now before I get into reviewing this course, I wanted to be very clear and transparent that I have not been paid to do this review. I paid for his course 100% out of my pocket, so you can be sure that this is unbiased and straightforward review without any kind of slant to it. So with that said, Matt's course is broken down into a modular step-by-step approach, and it makes you understand what YouTube is looking for, helps you plan for SEO, topics, keywords around what the algorithm is looking for, and he's built a system that's proven to work, and it's not just guesswork. So it takes what would otherwise take months or years to figure out on your own, and breaks it down to a step-by-step program to understand exactly from start to finish how to turn a YouTube channel from nothing into something that's making money in just a few short months. He goes into choosing what types of different channels there are, and then goes into how to analyze what profitable niches are, how to do keyword research, what online tools to get, both some free, some not, to help leverage and get additional information to help you do this research and come up with these topics and ideas. So it's not just a, here's these few things. It's a system for you to be able to use over and over again to teach you how to do the work, but gives you a system by which to understand what YouTube wants.